Hello and welcome to Tech and Bags. Today we will be taking a look at this backpack, which is a Peak Design everyday backpack zip 20 liter. So it's in blue, as you can see here. It's really well designed. The look, I love it. I think it's so perfect. So in this video we will see how I pack it, what I pack inside, what are the benefits of using it as a work backpack, which I do. So I use my other backpack, Peak Design travel backpack, for business travel, and this is for everyday. So you can see the look of it. It's very nice. Let's begin. So on the outside, what you have is two bottle holders. Compared to the travel backpack, they are a little different. There is a magnet that closes the pocket. You cannot really see it, but there is one magnet, and it's maybe tighter than the Peak Design travel backpack 30 liter. Inside here, when you buy the backpack, they give you this. Those who are familiar with Peak Design will know what this is. The other one will not know. So it's something like this. So when you buy it, it's around here, and it's a rapid keychain holder. So what I do when I go to work is I have my my badge, my thing, you know, to pass the portals, and my key, and then I just put it like this. I don't know if you see really well. Here it is, and then if you push it, you can detach it. So it's very nice, and it's always on you because you have your backpack on you. You keep one strap, and then this goes around you, and you can just use it, and it's a little bit like stretchy like this. So it's very nice. So this is one quick tip for you. On the other side, what you have is another pocket, so you can put a water bottle or anything you want, really. Here you have, it's very simple, you have some handles on each side. You have one handle on the top, which is like this, and then they put a little bit of leather on it. When you first buy it, this feels kind of rough, but as the more you use it, the more it becomes really nice, like leather. So here you have the straps. They are all a little bit like on the travel backpack 30 liter, but you cannot really, you don't have the full movement. On the 30 liter, it looks like it can do more than this. You have the strap, which looks a little bit like the travel backpack, but they are a little different. The settings here, you have more settings to attach the stand-up strap, which is the same as on the travel backpack. But here my travel backpack is sage, is kind of green, and this is more aluminum, and here it's more like black. So really nice touch. Here you cannot put the straps under like you can on the travel backpack. So there is a pass-through. If I do this, there is a pass-through, but it's only for luggage, and you cannot really, since this doesn't go around, you cannot really put them inside. So it's a little bit of a bummer, I will say, but you can still do something like this. It's not perfect, but maybe I'm the only one who likes to pack it like this, but I love when the straps are hidden. So on this backpack you cannot really do it very well, like you can do on the travel backpack 30 liter. But other than that, they are very good. The fit is very nice. Maybe the only thing it's when it's hot and when you wear it for some time, it's not really breathing on your back, so your back will get sweaty if you're someone like me. Then you have the pocket, the zip for the laptop here. We'll see it right after. And then you have the main zip, the two main zip, there are 4 zips, but this is the main opening all around the backpack. But to finish on the exterior, you have some loops here, and you can attach, in the Peak Design fashion, you can attach some things inside. You can do a cross, and then you put your jacket or whatever, and the straps are in the inside, I think, for me. What you have more, on the bottom you don't have a handle. You had it on the travel backpack, there is no handle. And that's about it for the outside. Here you can see there are some straps here, and this is a little tip from Peak Design themselves. There are 4 straps in total for the grunt opening, and you can put 2 of them on the bottom attached like this if you don't need to use them. And they are used normally to access the backpack from the side. When you carry it on one shoulder, and then you can access your backpack. So we will first maybe start with the simplest pocket, which is the laptop pocket. So here you can see the laptop inside. So this is a 15.6 inch MSI GS63, I think, 7R something. So it's a laptop that I bought in 2018. Very nice, but for dimensions, yeah, it's the biggest laptop you can put. If you put something bigger, it will not fit. Maybe like this it will fit on this dimension, but for the length, bigger than this will not fit. So only 15.6, and it depends on the 15.6 laptop, because for this one it's tight. Then I have a phone for work here. So you have a pocket here. Then you have 2 little pockets, so you have something inside. And you can put maybe some earbuds. I put them also inside. You have 2 little pockets. And then you have this pocket, like the pocket where my phone was. It's like this. Okay, 2 little pockets. It's kind of weird shape, but it's very good. Then you have the main pocket for the laptop, and you can adjust. There is a system to adjust. If your laptop is only a 13-inch laptop, you can adjust it, and the laptop will still be, even if it's 13-inch, it will still be outside. Like they push it from the bottom like this, and you can access it directly. Then you have a little another pocket for a tablet, like here. There is this separation here, like this, and there is a magnet. Okay, so this was the little pocket for the laptop. Put my laptop on the side. I will put it on the bottom. So now let's see the main pocket. So like on the travel backpack, I put the anti-theft feature, so you can do like this, and it's here. So you have, it's not really a big anti-theft feature, but you have this. You need to detach it to open it. Okay, now it's open. So what you will do, you open it all the way around, like this. And then you have full opening, which is really nice with this backpack, is you can have a full opening, but if you don't want a full opening, like I don't choose the full opening every day. Like what I do is I open it like this, I have it like this, and then I open it just like this, and I have access to all my gear inside. Okay, so for showing reason, I will open everything. So here on this thing you have a pocket here. Usually I don't put anything. You have the Peak Design, yeah, you can see it, Peak Design Everyday Backpack Zip, 20 liter, and the little logo of Peak Design. You have the Peak Design system with this I don't really know the name, but you can use them differently to organize your compartments. What I do is I only put one of these things, and I have 2 compartments, the big one and then a little one on the bottom that we see right after. Here you have the famous field pouch from Peak Design that you saw maybe on another of my videos, because I use it also when I do a business trip. I put it on my Peak Design travel backpack 30 liter. Here I have the famous little umbrella. I have a Jabra headset for phone calls. I have a Jabra thing for phone calls also. This is my famous little small jacket for rain. Then I have a good old-fashioned notebook. And I have a mouse here for work. So I really like these two pockets on the side. They're really, really nice. And then on the bottom, here, I don't know, yeah, you can see it. There are some zip pockets. And for example, I have the straps for the backpack, but on the other side I have some other things. You have another zip pocket here, little zip pocket, okay? Now, if I put all this, no, maybe I will not put this back inside. I will show you like this. So I put everything out, and here you can see. So this is with this slicer. I will call this a slicer. So we will see what I have on the outside. But here you can see there is like this stops, and there is something here. It's the pocket with the phone that I showed you earlier. It goes inside. So if you put a lot of things, it will eat space in the main compartment. Okay. So, and then if I go with the divider, here I just put some emergency clothing and some other stuff, just to have a little separation. But yeah, it's mainly the big compartment. If you are a photographer or something, you can better use these slicers to put your camera gear inside. But I'm not a photographer, so that's about it. So yeah, it's a very, very nice laptop, backpack, sorry. It's not cheap, but I think it's really, really good. I used it already like for maybe 7 months, something like this. So I had it under rain, under a lot of things, and it held up really, really well. I use it every day, and look at this. There is nothing special about it, nothing that is not functional. Here you can see the Peak Design logo. And yeah, it's brand new. It's like brand new. And like I said, maybe the last thing is if you use this, the other zips, there are other zips, and you can use them. For example, you have your backpack on one shoulder, and you can use this zip to open also the backpack from here and just access the side access like this, and the top is still closed. I don't know if you see what I mean, but I don't really use it like this. It's more for photographers when you want to stay on your feet and to open it to use your camera. So yeah, that's about it. It's a 20-liter, very nice backpack. If you have some questions, if you want me to review a specific thing, if you want me to tell you something special about this backpack, put it in the comments. Thank you for staying up this long. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to put a like and comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. That's really nice. Thank you guys. Bye bye.